Hi, welcome to Dinner with Alina. Last time we made cabbage stew and I have some cabbage stew leftovers. I'm very glad about it because that means that I can make cabbage pie. For my pie, I will also need some tin fish, mackerel and sardines, for example. I like to spice them up a bit with salt, black pepper and chili flakes. And obviously, I need a dough. The proper way would be to use leavened pie dough, but it takes too much time. And that's why I'm using a puff pastry dough, which I bought at the shop. And it works great for this pie. So I'm going to roll out the dough because I like when it's thin. If you like thicker crust, feel free to leave it as it is. Put the cabbage on the dough. And then the fish goes on top of the cabbage. And then I'm going to cover it with another sheet, and you can also roll it out or leave it as it is. After that, the pie goes to the oven for 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes or until the top is golden brown. That's one of the easiest savory pies I know, not to mention it tastes great. Cabbage stew and tin fish are so great together. Okay, it's ready. I'm going to leave it for 15 minutes to cool down, and then I'm going to cut myself a nice little piece of pie and enjoy it. So yummy. From Russia with Food, Alina.